Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back. Today is a very exciting day. Today, I am finally getting the car hoist up. I've had it for about a month and a half. It's been sitting in the garage, taking up room, and finally, the guy's coming out today to put it up, and I couldn't be more excited. I couldn't be more happier. Finally, if I get this up, I can put the car on it, I can lift the car up, I can do the air suspension, I can do exhaust work, I can do welding, I can do a bunch of other shit now to the car to kind of get it moving on. So I'm gonna pull the car out, make some room for them in the garage. Hopefully they show up soon, and we can get this up and going. Excited for that. Hopefully everything goes well. Just took the car outside, and lucky me, it's raining. So now I gotta find something to put over the body kit to make sure that the rain won't really damage it, but just to be safe, we don't want any regrets. We don't want any regrets. At least try to cover it. Oh, but it looks so sexy though. You guys see what I see? Oh, do you guys see what I see? That's not even the good side either. Jeez. Oh. I just came in my pants, I'm not gonna lie. Just a little bit. You can see from a distance now how it's gonna look. Certain things about it I didn't like, but looking at it now, you guys can see what I see. Wow, I'm in love with this car all over again. I can't wait to get the backs on and the front's done. Anyways, so give me a sec, I'm gonna cover it and then I'll get right back to you guys. So I got everything covered up. It was supposed to rain really hard today, but the forecast changed and now it changed back. They're not calling for much rain right now, but fucking with these guys, who knows, right? I got everything covered up and now we're just gonna wait for the hoist installer to come do his thing. The hoist is gonna go towards the end of the garage, not so much in the middle. I'm gonna put a little to the left side, just to make some clearance for the door, to get to the back, to get to the shed in the back, backyard too. I let my dog out through the garage sometimes, so. Now it's just a waiting game to see when these guys show up. Hopefully, we can get everything done right today and I can get the hoist up and running. Fuck, I'm so excited. No, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Like, it's really hard for me to contain it right now, but I'm excited. So stay tuned. See you guys in a sec.
We gotta raise the sound up a little more.
The hoist is up. Didn't go like I wanted it to go. I mean, everything's done properly, except for the fact that we couldn't wire it up. Because I tried looking for the diagrams, I couldn't find them. I even called Leeson and talked to them there, tried to get the diagrams from them. Because the pump and motor is so old, they didn't have the specs on file anymore, so they don't have the wiring diagram or anything. There was 7 or 8 wires coming out of there, and I'm not too sure what they are and how to figure, them out and what's what, right? So I talked to him on the phone. He said he might be able to figure it out. He's done enough of them. It's pretty simple to do. He shouldn't have an issue doing it, and he had an issue doing it. We tried. There's just so many combinations, and he doesn't know what wires what. So unfortunately, it's not over yet. I have to find an electrician and have somebody come out, take a look at it, and hopefully wire it up. Today's Thursday. I'm hoping I can get somebody out tomorrow, and by Saturday at the latest, I can have the hoist working. I'm gonna leave it there. That's where I'm gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Ellie signing off. Till next time. Thanks, guys. Go.